What's up, guys? Good to see you guys. Did you guys know you can get 10% off? Just kidding. I'm not gonna sell out to you guys. Hey, welcome to another video. We're gonna go ahead and talk about some stuff that we missed out on. I've been listening to comments and concerns and tweets and everything. So I'm here to go over all the stuff that maybe I missed and kind of add some stuff. So we're gonna do a couple more videos here and add to this series. In terms of stepping up your stream, in terms of gear and all that kind of stuff. And today we're gonna go back over and talk about something that I didn't really touch on too much that I guess I should have when I was talking about the whole dual PC setup thing. So I went ahead and I started to look over your guys' comments, and I saw that some of you guys wanted to know mostly about like a microphone and two PCs. I kind of took this for granted back in the day when I first set this up. When I first got this microphone is an Audio-Technica AT2020 Plus. It's a USB version of the microphone, so I got this little USB cable coming out of here and it goes down into my stream PC. But also, not only that, it also has this little tiny 3.5 milli, you know, like on for some of the phones, your phone that has those the headphone jack has the same port on the side of the mic here for me. So luckily I lucked out big time, because when I first started streaming, I didn't know I could even I didn't know I was even gonna need that port. But basically I'm using this external port right here, and that cable is going all the way into my stream piece, or I'm sorry, my game PC. So this cable right here is coming out of this microphone, 3.5 millimeter jack to 3.5 millimeter jack. And I have that cable right here, so you guys can kind of see that it's exactly this cable. I think this is like a 15 or 20 foot cable. I didn't mean to get it that long. I just was at the store and I just like, hey, there's one. So anyways, I got this, and it's 3.5 millimeter, 3.5 millimeter. You know, these are your normal headphone style cables, nothing fancy. And I just happen to have a little connector here just because I like to keep my cables all nice and connected and just chilling. I have that cable coming out of this and into my the pink slot of my my game PC. So that inside of my game PC, if I end up going over to my my sound options here, you can kind of see exactly where it's coming in at. So when I plug that in, it goes right into it automatically knows it's going into a microphone slot. It's literally it's labeled as a microphone on top of my my NZXT case. By the way, do you guys want to save 5% on your, just kidding. Okay, so you guys could also plug your mic in that way as well. For those of you guys that have a mic, let's say you already have a USB mic or an XLR mic and you don't have the capability of having a second output out of your mic, what are you gonna do? The option for you guys is to go ahead and get yourself one of these cables, like I just mentioned before, a 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter, and take this and go ahead and go into your sound options here. You're gonna find out where, even if you have an XLR mic with a mixer and all that stuff, you're gonna find wherever your audio is coming in. At some point, your audio is going from your mixer or your microphone into your computer, and you gotta find that. And you can see that my microphone is right here, correct? So you can see the levels bouncing. And what you wanna do is you wanna go ahead and right click on your microphone, go to properties, and you wanna go to this listen tab. I used to do this a lot, and sometimes you might get issues. It's not always gonna happen, but it's possible that it could happen, that you might get some issues and you might have to like redo this every now and then. I don't remember why I had to do that, but anyways, this might be a simple solution to your problem. So what you want to do is you want to listen to this device, and you want to select something that you're not normally using as a playback source on your stream PC. Again, imagine this is your stream PC here. So for me, if I were choosing to do this, I would go ahead and choose, like, let's say a monitor. So that way the cable coming out of my microphone or my mixer goes into my computer, and now I am telling it to listen to that device through, let's say, my monitor. And now from my monitor, now that the monitor is receiving that signal as a secondary, just listening to it, it's listening to the microphone and it's outputting it into the speakers of the monitor or another source that you might have available at the time. You take that 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 millimeter cable, and you go ahead and connect that into your game PC. And that's gonna come in, and it's gonna be most likely in your line in or in a microphone option. So if I go back over here, I'm just gonna go ahead and cancel this out because I don't wanna do that. So that is going to come in like a source. This is actually what is happening with this microphone right now, but not being, you know, my mic has the little output here. So imagine this is my monitor, the output's coming out of here, and it's going into my little microphone input on my game PC. So literally, you look at this thing, and that's where the audio is coming in. So now when you go to all your programs, and when you go to your Steam and your Discord and your wherever else you're using your microphone, you just choose that source, and there it is. It might not say microphone, it might not show an image, it might look more something like this. But to be honest, it could be anything. So just find out where the levels are coming in at, and go from there, and then you just choose that as a source. When it comes in your computer, it's going to be under the recording tab. You don't need to look at the playback tab, but that's where the microphone comes in. Easy claps, and you're done. So that's how you set up a microphone to go from one PC to another. I've been really lucky to have this microphone that has the output already built in, and having that backup if this port ever goes bad and I didn't want to buy another mic. I have a temporary solution to do what I just told you guys and just plug it into my monitor, essentially, to just listen to it from my monitor into my game PC. So that is an option, and maybe that's going to work for you, maybe it's not. Test it out. So one thing that is going to happen, or probably going to happen, is that you might get some weird hummings and hissings and weird feedbacks, and I have a solution for that, and I'll drop this link in the chat, or the chat. I'll drop this link in the description below. But coming in from a company, I guess, called Mpow, I got this little device here, and essentially it's just like a noise. It just gets rid of all the hums and buzzes and everything coming in from a 3.5 millimeter cable. So when it goes from my microphone through this cable, goes into one side right here, this little tiny hole here, and then this goes into the microphone input in my game PC. That's gonna get rid of all the nasty crackles and the hisses and the weird hums and all that kind of stuff that you don't want to hear. I think this thing goes for like $10, maybe $15 at most. And I have one of them, and I might get some more for some other reasons here. But yeah, this thing has been a lifesaver. When I'm talking to people in Discord, they were getting like the worst of my audio because it was getting all these like noises, and the cable wasn't grounded, so they were getting some nasty. This thing gets rid of that whole problem, and my mic sounds just as it does as it's coming into this this recording. Get yourself one of these, and don't worry about it. Everything's fine. $10 to $15. I'll look it up in a minute, and I'll post it down below. Easy. Not bad. Like an 8-minute video. Fuck it, dude. That's fine, right? So I'm gonna cut the video short there. That's where I'm gonna end it. And tune in for the next video. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate it. Make sure to hit that sub button. Smash that sub button. And yeah, come back. Appreciate you guys watching. And all these videos, like, honestly, I'm just trying to get this information out there just because I have it, and I haven't seen any videos come out recently to go over all this stuff. Technical stuff will get to your head and will drive you insane. So I'm hopefully I can be some sort of place that you can, hopefully you guys that have issues can find this channel, and maybe I've helped you out. So great. Hope I helped you. Anyways, tune in next time. Thank you for watching, and I'm live on Twitch, but usually I'm live Monday through Friday, 10 a.m. Eastern to 6 p.m. Eastern. Come by, ask me questions, easy claps. I'll see you guys later. Thank you. If you guys want to get 10% off on Gamer Supps, it's like an energy drink. It's like a powder, like this is green apple flavor, but they also got like strawberry and some other stuff. Like I only sell out, I mean, I'm not even going to use the word sell out. I only talk about products that I actually like dig and like a company called NZXT, which you can also get 5% off. I'll post some links down below, but if you guys want to get yourself 5% off on NZXT products, or maybe you want to get some nice Gamer Supps, huh? You could get it. It's good, okay? All right, it's like 32 bucks for like a tub, and it's essentially like $32 for like 60 drinks. It's insane. It's super cheap. You end up spending way less than you do on Monsters and Rockstars and all that stuff. Anyways, I'm out of here. I'll get you guys next time. I'll never sell out again, okay? I'm sorry. I don't even have to do that. I'm throwing it out there so that you guys have that. Whatever, dude. I'm out. Take it easy. Bye. Bye. Catch you later. Follow me on Twitter at Twitch Activator, and follow me on Twitch at twitch.tv/activator with an E. Like this.